Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I style one of my clients using the Bobbi Boss New Locks Faux Loc. This tutorial is going to be something quick and easy. I know sometimes a lot of you guys want to style your hair, but you're not quite sure how. So I'm going to be showing you a pretty easy way on how to do it. First, you're just going to be starting off by braiding the hair, and as you guys can see, I've already pretty much sectioned off all the hair. I'm just showing you guys how I braid. So if you guys need me to show you how I braid, or if you just want a more in-depth tutorial, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Once I get to the end of the braid, I just start twisting. I don't bother to braid all the way down. I just make my life easier by just twisting. Oh, and for some of you guys that can't braid, you can always just go ahead and do twists on the hair, and I believe that should work just fine. If you tried it, yeah, let me know in the comments below how it worked out for you. Now that we have all the braids done, I'm just moving on to the fun part, and I'm just showing you here how to use your crochet needle in case some of you don't know how. You want to make sure that you close the latch. That's really important, because if you try to pull through with the latch open, then it's just not going to work. So definitely make sure you close the latch. Then I'm going to be looping it through and making sure that I pull the hair and the crochet hair through the loop, and then I'm just going to start twisting the hair into the crochet hair. And don't worry guys, I'm going to show you this multiple times because I know it may sound or be a little confusing right now, but just keep watching and you'll see me do it again. Okay, so I'm just going to take the hair, open it at the top, then I'm going to slide my crochet needle through the braided hair. I'm going to attach the crochet onto the latch, pull that through, open the hole back up, and then insert both the hair and the crochet hair into the hole, and then I'm just going to pull. So if you guys can see, it should be two separate pieces when you're done. Then after that, you just want to twist. So you're going to open up the crochet hair a little bit, and then you're going to start twisting the braided hair into the crochet hair until it forms one entire lock. See how seamless that is, guys? You can't even tell like where her hair starts, where it ends, which part is her hair, which part is the lock. And that's pretty much what you want. You want it to look like your natural hair, as if you grew the lock out of your head yourself. I tried to slow down the clip here for you guys so you can see how I'm opening up the faux loc just a little bit so that I can put the braiding hair into it. So it looks like I'm twisting, but I'm kind of intertwining them so it forms one single lock. Again, leaving it to look seamless, and that's what you want. At this point, guys, I'm pretty much all done. I'm just gathering her hair, showing you guys all the locks. In total, I believe I had about 66 locks. So now I'm just adding a little bit of hair accessories. You know how we do, we got to make it pop. So, you know, if you're trying to figure out how to get your hair to look cute and you feel like it's bland, always add some type of accessory. It definitely gives it, you know, some extraness to it. Here are the final results, guys, and that's pretty much it for me. I'm all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy faux loc tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.